Today is a special day. It is Earth Day, April 22nd, 2025. On this day, we celebrate our planet. We celebrate its beauty and its wonders. Earth is our home. It provides everything we need. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, we rely on Earth. Earth Day is a reminder. It reminds us to appreciate our planet. It is a call to protect our home. Our planet is full of beauty. Towering mountains pierce the sky. Sparkling rivers flow through green valleys. Vast forests are home to countless creatures. These natural wonders are not just beautiful, they are essential to our well-being. Forests clean our air, oceans regulate our climate. Nature provides us with peace and inspiration. These gifts are precious. We must cherish them. We must protect them for future generations. We are stewards of this planet. We have a responsibility to care for it. Each of us can make a difference. Plant a tree, pick up litter in your neighborhood, conserve water at home. These small actions may seem insignificant, but together they create a wave of change. Teach your children about nature. Support organizations working to protect our environment. Let your voice be heard. Every action counts. Every bit of effort matters. When we work together, we can achieve great things. Share your Earth Day activities. Inspire others to join the movement. Let us create a healthier, more sustainable future for all. Happy Earth Day. Let's make every day Earth Day.